Why India have a dynamic monsoon system? Indian monsoon is unpredictable, unreliable and highly erratic behavior. Indian summer monsoon, winter monsoon and the climatic condition. Uh, Hello aspirants, Priyesh here. So today's topic is Indian monsoon. So one question comes into our mind, why India have a dynamic monsoon system, and most of the meteorological scientists even say Indian monsoon is unpredictable, unreliable and highly erratic behavior. So today we try to find out what are the reasons behind erratic behavior of Indian monsoon. So there are around 10 factors which is affecting the Indian summer monsoon, winter monsoon and the climatic condition. That increases the variability of Indian monsoon. Number one is the latitudinal position. So latitudinally India is located between the 8-degree 4-minute north till 37-degree north. So as a result we have tropical latitude as well as temperate latitude, since middle of India is passed through the Tropic of Cancer. Now the point number two is that we have the effect of oceanic bodies. Oceanic bodies means both Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean affect India. So how does it affect India? Because northern Indian Ocean is completely landlocked, and because of this landlocked situation, your ITZ intertropical convergence zone shift abnormally up to the foothills of Himalayas, and as a result your southeast trade wind is attracted up to the foothills of Himalayas. When it crosses equator it becomes southwest monsoonal wind, and this ITZ shifting sometime varies up and down, so your monsoon also become abnormal. Even jet streams and Himalayan Tibetan the topography affect the monsoonal system. As we know, during the summer season when the sunlights are directly falling on the Himalayan Tibetan zone, the ice cover get reduced, and because of that reduced ice cover, low pressure over the Himalayan Tibetan zone intensified, and this intensified low pressures do two things. One, it resulting into the withdrawal of subtropical westerly jet stream from India and move north of the Tibetan plateau. And what happened to the new jet stream? So new jet stream which arise in the middle of India called tropical easterly jet stream, and this is intensifying the subtropical situations over India and making the low cyclonic condition, and this cyclonic condition attract southwest monsoonal winds over India. Now this erratic behavior is connected to La Nina, El Nino, which is the effect of the Pacific Ocean. You know, in the South American coast of Pacific, cold Peru current exists, and whenever the cold current is maintained, Indian monsoon is also maintained. Now what happened, cold Peru current sometimes in a sequence of 3 to 7 years, it become warmer, and warmer current called El Nino current, and it affect the world weather pattern including the Indian summer monsoon. During the El Nino events, Indian monsoon behavior will be below normal, and Indian rainfall in the monsoon season get deficient, and that causes drought in India, and vice versa do take place. Sometime this cold Peru current become more colder, and East Australian warm current become more warmer, and that situation is called as La Nina current. During the La Nina, what happens? Your entire monsoonal system becomes speedy, and it will be causing surplus rain or floods also in the rainy season. Okay, and if you see the last 3 years, 2020, 2021, 2022, we 3 consecutive years we experience a La Nina effect that causes the floods continuously, and from next year onward we might be experiencing what called El Nino phase. So other factors that affected is the Somalian current or the currents which is prevailing in the Indian Ocean. Generally in the North Indian Ocean currents are warm, it is helpful for strengthening the monsoon, but if the Somalian current become little colder, it is happening due to desertification, and which is also depressing the Indian monsoon system. Even the pressures which on the Madagascar, if it get reduced in the summer season, that also reduce the rainfall, and rest is the human impact or climate change, global warming is also changing the entire rainfall patterns, monsoonal system. Indian monsoon is becoming highly chaotic, and this is the one of the tipping points out of the 20 tipping points of climatic change, and that's make the entire monsoonal system highly erratic, unreliable and unpredictable. Thank you all of you.